he'll take a nap.
Oh, well, how long will he sleep?
A couple of hours.
Oh, great. While he's asleep, we can go to the park and play baseball.
Oh, but we are! Aren't we, Father Christmas?
Aye, we are Father Christmas.
I just don't understand. I'm sorry.
Well, I'll explain.
About cookies.
Cookies.
Yes, Cookie Monster. I'm doing a lecture about cookies. I'd appreciate it if you'd be very quiet.
But only cookies.
No. Shh. Lecture time. Okay. Now, first of all, we're going to talk about the things that are different about these cookies. Now, you take a cookie like this one right here. Now, this cookie here is sort of shaped like a circle. You see this cookie? It's all round like a circle. You see that? No corners, no sides. It is a circle. All right, that's one. Now, let's take a look at this cookie right here. This cookie has 4 sides and 4 corners, and all the sides are the same length. So what do we call this? We call this a square. Right, Cookie Monster?
Oh, yeah. Cookie.
Okay.
Cookie.
Yes, no. No, just hold on. Now then, this next shaped cookie right here, this one is shaped like a what? Everybody know what this shape is? This is a triangle, right? It's got 3 corners and 3 sides, so it is a triangular-shaped cookie. Okay?
Oh, cookie.
Yes, now, quiet. Shh. Now, this last cookie over here, this one has 4 sides also, but it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So we call this one...
delicious.
No, we call it a rectangle. A rectangle, that's what this kind of cookie is called. And now you know how all these cookies are different from each other. Isn't that amazing?
It boggled the mind. Okay, now.
But now I'm going to tell you what's the same about all these cookies.
Oh, Ernie, me no can take this. Me so hungry for cookie.
Well,
we got to go eat.
Okay, what's the same about all these cookies is that they're all for you to eat, Cookie Monster.
What?
Lecture's over. Help yourself.
Oh, Ernie, you give best lectures me ever tasted. Cookie! Jump!
No. Jive. Da beat the gabadoo.
Jump!
No, niggas and jive. Yeah, baby. No, jive. Give it. Kevin Calloway. Calloway. Oh, you know. Hey, come. He's a drum. No. Jive. These
Jump, right, Kev.
No, jive.
Hold it. You cats, you're blowing your tops here. What's going on?
We'll get jive.
No, man. You got to get in the cooperation groove.
Cooperation?
Jump, jive.
Jump and jive?
Shibbity-doobity-doobity-doobity-boo, shabba-dooba-dat, clang-clang-clang. A shooting-jump, jumping jive. Jim-jam, jump to jumping jive. You got to dig this mellow jive. You got to dig it on a mellow side. Alamo, swallowing jaw. Let me dig this jive once more. Hear those happy cats. Come on, boy, let's have it. Jump, jumping jive. You dig your kicks on the mellow side. You jump, the solid jive. 9 foot tall, you're 4'5". Hip. Come on and follow through. You got to your study full. You make the joint jump like the gators do. The jim jam jump, 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 like your eggs on the Jersey side. I have the jim jam jumping jive makes you have on the malice side. Shabba bop bop, skiddly boo doo. Flanky doo bitty bitty shabba da boop bop. Shangy baggy, shangy baggy. Shoop a doo ba da bop ba doo. Choo boop boop. Shabba da bop bop, ski boop bitty boop.
Chicken or the egg? Which come first, the chicken or the egg? How could something so fat and furry come from something so smooth and pearly? Which come first, the chicken or the egg? Which come first, the feather or the shell? Which come first, the feather or the shell? When you see one egg or t'other, do you ever think about its mother? Oh, which come first, the feather or the shell? Now eggs are awful pretty, lying on a plate, or sitting here in a cotton eating straight. And looking inside a box of eggs might make you feel so great. But do you ever wonder where there was before there was inside that crate? Which come first, the chicken or the egg? Oh, which come first, the chicken or the egg? If you wanted to begin again, would you start with an omelet or a hen? Oh, which come first, the chicken or the egg? The chicken or the egg?
Hey, Grandetta, you waiting for someone?
No, I'm not waiting for someone, Mustachio. I'm waiting for the old number 9.
Number 9? Gee. Grandetta, now, I know that you grouches don't like getting help from regular people, but I happen to know that there's no number 9 bus that comes along here.
Who said anything about a bus? All I said was I was waiting for the old number 9.
Well, certainly can't be the subway. And it can't be a taxi.
Yeah, see, well, that's good. You're getting colder and older by the minute.
Wait a minute. Is this the old number 9 you were talking about?
Well, it sure ain't the number 2 now, is it, Sunshine? If you've got the urge to travel and you want an awful trip, well, I've got the perfect number. Okay, boys, let her rip! Oh, number 9 got me feeling fine. Riding down the line on broken down number 9. Oh, it hasn't got a bathroom and it hasn't any heat. It's puffy and it's smoky and it makes my life complete.
everybody! Ship ahoy, anchors away! Grover is about to go for a cruise in his rowboat. Yeah. Hey, guys. Hey. Now, the thing to remember when you are in a rowboat is that some people have to sit at that end of the boat, and some people have to sit at that end of the boat, okay? Okay, guys. Come on. Sit over in this end, guys. Over here. Come on, guys. Hey, over here. Hey, you guys. Hey, over here. This end, guys. Hey. I think we're going to have a problem here.
First leaf. Last leaf.
Okay, I think it is all repaired now. Hey, guys, you ready to try again? Yeah. Okay, now this time, remember, do not all go up to that end of the boat, okay? Because then, if you go up to that end, up to the tip, we will fall into the water like we did before, right? We do not want that, do we? Okay, guys, come on in. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, over here. Somebody over here. Hey, guys. Guys. Oh, guys. Hey.
First, middle,
Last.
first, middle.
Last.
Are you guys okay? You dried off? Yeah. Okay. The boat seems okay. Now listen. We still seem to be having a little trouble understanding about where to sit in the rowboat, right? Okay. Now let's try it one more time. You see, if all of you sit at that end, or if all of you sit at that end of the rowboat, then the boat will sink. Now some of you sit at that end, and some of you sit at that end, and I'll be in the middle, okay? Now we'll try it one more time. Here we go. Come on. Come on, I'll be in the middle. Okay, you go there. You stay over there, real careful, like. Careful. You go over there. Hey, that's pretty good. You are over there, and you are over there, and I am in the middle. Let's start rowing.
All right. Here we go.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Oh, boy, row